Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner that I'm using as a lesson planner. I'm planning for the week of February 18th through the 24th, and the kit I'm using is from the Planner Press Digital Dashbox that she releases every single month, which you can see is being held together with washi and a prayer. Due to maybe, or maybe not, I won't say, silhouette user error. But we're still going to make it work. I'm starting with the sidebar as usual, using this cute full box with a Galentine's vibe. I really like this kit because it's not blatantly Valentine's themed. It's more Girl Squad and mimosas and chocolate. If you throw in some planners, that sounds like a party to me. And I completed my sidebar with a daily tracker for Baby Planner Nerds reward system and a space for my weekend review, which is especially needed right now since we've moved on into the next level in math. This week in math, Baby Planner Nerd is learning about parallel and perpendicular lines. While this level of math you see focuses on mastering division, I was quite surprised by how much geometry is in this level. But you know what? I'm not even mad at it. We're just going to keep on going. We're also moving into week 2 of our Meet Addie / Civil War study, where Baby Planner Nerd reads the first book in this American Girls series. This week she will read one chapter a day and will expand upon the themes of family, living conditions, and the Civil War itself. I'll post a link into my video where I plan the first week of our unit study to give you a better scope of what we're covering. But every day, she ends with a bit of journaling about something new she's learned after each lesson. I'm also adding a few videos and some comprehension activities throughout the week. For the next few weeks for writing, we're expanding upon last week's subject of the Mongols, and this week she's going to write a paragraph about Genghis Khan. We'll be focusing on 3 of what SWI refers to as dress-ups, that is, adding adverbs that end in ly, creating who-which clauses, and also replacing regular verbs with stronger verbs, verbs that invoke some sort of emotion. And she'll also be replacing a few banned words with even better versions of those words, if that makes sense. This week for Fix It Grammar, we're adding her identifying adjectives to the laundry list of other parts of speech and sentence structure she has to identify. Thank goodness this has the list of things to look for each week, because otherwise I wouldn't know how anyone will be able to remember them. And I'm scared to even see what that list will look like towards the end. Thursday, Baby Planner Nerd will finish up with her first round of lowercase letter practice for her cursive, so we can move on to the uppercase letters. She'll be focusing on finishing all her partially done worksheets that she tried to hide from me that I found the other day, so that they will be completed. She also has to do a bit of research for her co-op book club assignment on farming in Malawi. This month's book is The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind, which takes place in Malawi, Africa. She has to answer a few questions, so she's going to complete this before moving on to read chapter 4 of Meet Addie. Friday is a pretty easy day for us, with her reading the final chapter of Meet Addie and watching a few short videos, and possibly doing a worksheet along with her journaling. And she's allowed to, after that, continue working on her Lego stop motion movies. This is pretty much what her art is. I saved that for last because she would neglect everything else and just do that all day. I realized a little later that I forgot to note when her ukulele class is on Monday. She's still enjoying it, which is, great because she doesn't have a choice. She still has to go. And she's actually a little bit sad that the last class will be in April, but she's really excited about her first spring recital. Oh my. We've really got nothing going on this weekend, so I used the page flags in the kit to make a banner. And on Sunday, I put a to-do checklist for things I need to prep for the next week, like I do every single week in my spreads. And here is the final spread. And that pretty much wraps up another week of homeschool lesson plans. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and the little bell ringer next to it so you can be notified when I post my next video. Until next time, thank you so much for joining me. Bye!